Next is there are many things that are important in our lives and we should learn how to prioritize. Means we will learn means how we will prioritize your work, means which work you will do firstly and which one you will do at last or in middle. Clear? So what is more important for you? Next, self management also give you the confidence that you can do this as you are in control of your situation. Means self management give you a confidence and you can control your situation according to you. It also makes you responsibility, it also makes you take responsibility and be a better person in a journal. In journal means self management also helps to make you to become a better person in a journal. Clear? This is all about what is the positive points of self management skills. Next, self management skills. Self management skills are those activities that help an employee means the worker who is working in an organization to feel and be more productive in the workplace. Means self management skill also make the employee more productive in the workplace and help an employee communicate and interact efficiently with fellow workers, superiors or supervisors and even customers. Means self management skills help an employee communicate. Means communicate is a process of sharing information, thoughts, feelings with each other using any medium like verbally, non-verbally and visually. Verbally means using words, language may be written also, and non-verbal means using body language, symbols, and the visually using pictures. And interact efficiently with fellow workers, supervisors and even customers. So now look at this diagram. These all are the self management skills. First is self motivation, positive thinking, teamwork, personal hygiene and grooming, goal setting, time management, problem solving and self confidence, self control, self awareness. What is self awareness? Means you should aware about yourself. Means what you are, what do I want, what I am. Means what self awareness means what I am. You should aware about yourself. Means what I am, what do I want, what do I think, how do I feel. Clear? Next, self control. You should control on yourself. Means is the ability to manage. Self control means is the ability to manage your actions, feelings, emotions. It is the quality that allow you to stop yourself from doing things you want to do but that might not be in your best interest. For example, if you want to eat chocolate but you but you but you use your willpower to avoid eating. Suppose you want to eat chocolate but you use your willpower to avoid eating it because you know it is not good for you. Clear? It is not good for you, so your control on yourself. This point describes your control on yourself. Clear? Next, self confidence. Self confidence is the confidence about your skill and abilities. It means you know your strengths and weakness. Strength means strong point and weakness weak point. Well, and have a positive view of yourself and you set realistic expectation and goal and can handle criticism. Clear? Problems. I can't do it. I believe in me. So cut this T. I can do it. Okay. Any problem is there? I can do it. So next is problem solving. Is the process of defining a problem, determining the cause of the problem, means what is the reason of the problem, identifying and prioritizing the problem, selective alternatives means related ways for a solution and related solutions, implementing a solution after after selecting solution, implementing a solution. Clear? Next, self motivation means you have to motivate to yourself. Self motivation is the inner force, what you will say, inner force that drives you to do things. It is primary means of realizing our goals and progressing. It is encouraging yourself to continue making progress towards a goal even when it feels challenging. If any challenge is there, no need to stop. You should have to continue progress. Okay, you should do work continuously. Clear? It's turning your shoulds into musts. So, like, if you are motivated, you will do more work and you will achieve your goal easily. Next, so motivation is also most important. Next, positive thinking. Positive thinking is the mental attitude. What is this? Mental attitude in which you expect good and favorable results. That is, positive thinking is the process of creating thoughts that create and transform energy into reality. A positive mind waits for happiness. If you have positive thinking, your mind happy, healthy, and happy ending in any situation. Think positive. Okay, these all are the points of this. Clear? Strong, be strong, determined, optimistic. Okay, imaginative. Okay, enterprising, motivated, happy, encouraged. Next, you have to motivate to yourself. I can do it. Then you will achieve success. Yes, I am great. When you achieve the success, you will say, yes, I am great. Suppose you fixed your target. You want to get the first position in your class. Like you are in 9th standard. So if your target is to get the first position in your class, so always say, I can do it. Always say, I can do it. And when you at last achieve your success, you will say, yes, I am great. Clear? Next is teamwork. Teamwork means when two or more persons are working together, like in a group working. Teamwork is a working together with people to achieve a common goal, when all having common goal. So teamwork, coming together is the beginning, keeping together is the process, working together is a success. Clear? Next, personal hygiene and grooming. Personal hygiene refers to all clean lines, maintaining, prevent the spread of harmful bacteria, microorganisms, okay, and odors around the environment. It is maintaining cleanliness and grooming of the external body. The grooming is to make you neat and clean. So what is the meaning of grooming? Grooming is to make you neat and clean. Next, goal setting is the process of deciding what you want to accomplish and devising a plan to achieve those desired results. For entrepreneurs, entrepreneur means the person who start his own business. Okay, goal setting is an important part of business planning. Next, time management is also most important. Producing expected results in a timely manner determines the success of our efforts. Time management is an extremely important self-management skill that makes an employee be more productive. Clear? So this is all about what are self-management skills. About self-management skills. Okay, next topic we will discuss in next video, session 2.